Yeah, so please guys, don't forget to subscribe and like my channel. Yeah, so today we are in the woods. This is actually nature. This is actually nature. There's a river here where the birds, yeah, you can hear the sound of the birds. Only the sound of the birds. It's quiet, it's tranquil. Yeah, without this kind of environment in your life, you won't experience life. You won't experience, you won't empty. So this place is a nice place where people sometimes they do hiking. There's some people who do hiking here. Yeah, there's a lot of activities that happens here. Yeah, I'm in the middle of the trees. Yeah, so try this.